Hey guys, Aalon here, welcome back to another video. So in this video I'll show you 25 amazing Android secrets, or you can just say tips and tricks. And these are the features I personally use, and these are intended for Android but also can be used for iOS. And this is the first Android video on my channel, and so let's get started. Did you know that you can dial back the last caller just by hitting on the dial button? If you swipe on the address bar while using the Chrome app, you can just flip between the pages, or you can just hit tabs. It can be very annoying if someone asks your Wi-Fi password again and again and again. So there's a solution. You can just go to QR stuff and enter your Wi-Fi details. This will turn into a QR code which your guest can scan and connect to your network. If you have a signal issue where you have very less network, just turn on airplane mode and wait for 10 seconds and turn it off. So your phone will get reconnected to the closest cell tower. Did you know when you double tap on the app switcher button, it will take you back to the previous app you had just opened. You can use Adobe Lightroom Mobile to reduce the noise from the photos, and really it can flip the photos into amazing with a little sharpness. Take advantage of Do Not Disturb. So I personally set it up so calls and alarms can go through, but rest of the non-urgent notifications stay in the background, so I don't get distracted all day. Add in your contact details on a lock screen, which is pretty self-explanatory, but also quite often overlooked. It means actually if you lose your phone, you can rely upon humanity to get your phone back, which is about 20% of the chances you might get it back, but hope for the best. And speed of contact details, most of the people type the email address several times a day. So it really makes sense to just use a keyboard shortcut. Say you're using Google Maps to direct you somewhere, but your phone battery is very low. So what can you do? Instead of keeping your maps open and using GPS and mobile data and battery life, just take a screenshot of your route. It won't update in real time, but in most of the cases, it will be still enough to help you find out the way. Use the eye comfort mode built into your phone. This will reduce the brightness of your screen as well as the amount of the blue light being emitted, and if you're using a phone late in the evening, it will be very helpful for your eyes and it will help your body to get ready to go to sleep. If you take a lot of pictures outdoors, and if you're taking a landscape or a built-in photo, tap on the brightest part of the image. As smartphones are pro at exposing image, they're underexposing, and when something is overexposed, the details in the image are lost permanently. But if you tap on the brightest part of the photo, your phone will do its absolute best to make sure the brightest part are in focused. But the other side of the image will be a bit darker, which you can just fix it with a little bit of editing. If you're about to post a heavy text photo or video to Instagram, you can use something called as translucent overlay. Just use the highlighter, pick in your color, and then hold on the screen. So this will add a layer of color with 70% of opacity, so any text and images can be visible clearly. You should add a fingerprint at least 3 times. Not for 3 different fingers, but in fact 3 different angles of the same finger. Reason is that most scanners have the failure rate of 3 to 5%. If you have 3 versions of the same finger, so at least if one of them don't match up, the other will match up. So the failure rates comes down to a chance of 1%. If you head over to the settings of your YouTube app, there's a dark mode, which is not just cool, but it also ends up saving up a lot of battery life and being less strainful on your eyes. And if you're on YouTube, do subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. If you lose your USB-C charger, you can just use your MacBook's charger to charge your phone. Power delivered to your phone will adjust automatically depending on the requirement of the device. On social media, if someone is just irritating you, you can just mute that guy. This will stop all notifications and messages, and at the same time, it does not make it so obvious that you straight up block that person. You can use Snapdrop to transfer files from one device to another device. It's just like an alternative of AirDrop. By adding a star on either ends, you can send bold text on WhatsApp to stress the point instead of using caps lock. So use an application called Tiny Scanner to send yourself a scanned copy of your documents to your own email address. For many devices, the fastest way to share your URL is not by tapping on the 3 dots and tap in share, but just click on the URL and tap on copy. We all know about mobile hotspots, where you can share your mobile data from one device to another device. But now you can also share your Wi-Fi connection using an application called NetShare. So this can be handy, suppose if you are in a restaurant or your friend's house. So they enter the Wi-Fi password only on one device, but you want to use the net on your laptop or your tablet or iPad. You can instantly start a timer by just searching on Google. Start a timer and for how long you want it for. Keep your phone in airplane mode overnight for a few reasons. First of all, it will save power and it will prevent notification, which reduce quality of your sleep and also keeps cell radiation to a minimum. If you don't already have it, you can install home button onto your Chrome for Android. Just go to your settings and home page, then enter your favorite website or your search engine. So when you tap it, it will take you back to the URL you had set up. And here's a bonus one. You can make a web page into a PDF. Just click on share and tap on print and change from print to PDF and done. So yeah, that's been it. And if this video gets 100 likes, I'll make more videos on Android or I'll just stick to iOS. So make sure you like this video and share this with your friends and do subscribe. Do subscribe, please. Do subscribe to my channel. So yeah, with that being said, see you guys in the next one. Peace. Click the left video to see my most recent video, or you can just click the right video to see a random video of mine. Bye.